In this video, we're going to show you how to properly package your bike in order to return it to us. If you don't have the original packaging, medium thickness cardboard is a great substitute. If you don't have the foam to wrap the handlebar stem, bubble wrap or several layers of newspaper will work. This is crucial to ensure the handlebars do not cause damage in shipping. Finally, seal up the box with strong tape and attach the return label ready for collection. If you have any problems or questions, please do get in touch. We'll be happy to help.